In today's video, I'm excited to share an intriguing chess opening trick that can help you trap your opponent and gain an early advantage. This particular tactic is called the legal's mate or the Blackburn trap, and it involves sacrificing your queen while utilizing minor pieces to achieve a checkmate if your opponent accepts the sacrifice. But wait, there's more. I've got an intriguing chess puzzle waiting for all of you. Be sure to stick around until the end to enjoy the complete experience. Let's dive into the opening moves. We'll start with the king's pawn opening by playing e4, e5. After that, we'll develop our knight to f3, while black responds by moving their knight to c6. Following this, we'll deploy our bishop to c4, and black counters with d6. This sequence transforms the game from the Italian opening to the Philidor defense. It's important to note that the specific moves may vary, but the resulting position will remain the same. Keep this in mind as we proceed. Next, we'll continue with knight c3. At this point, it is common to see a specific move from black, namely bishop to g4. This move aims to develop their bishop while pinning our knight against the queen. However, this move provides us with an opportunity to exploit the situation. Allow me to explain how. To begin, we'll play pawn to h3. Ideally, black should capture our knight in response, but this doesn't happen frequently. Instead, you'll often see black move their bishop back to h5, maintaining the pin. This is precisely what we want black to do, as it allows us to set up our trap. We'll initiate the surprising move knight to e5. Yes, we are inviting black to capture our queen with their bishop. If black falls into the trap and greedily captures our queen, they will find themselves in trouble. After bishop f7 check, black's only move is king e7, and then knight d5 delivers a checkmate, effectively ending the game. Now, let's consider an alternative variation if black chooses not to capture our queen. You might wonder why we played pawn to h3 instead of immediately going for knight e5. The reason behind this move order is that if black decides not to take the queen, they can capture our knight while simultaneously defending their bishop from our queen's capture. This would grant black a significant advantage. Returning to the previous position, by playing h3 first and forcing the bishop back to h5, we can capture the pawn. Even if black refrains from capturing the queen and captures the knight instead, we can seize their bishop first. Subsequently, when the knight takes our bishop, we can execute a double attack by delivering a check and then easily capturing the knight. By examining the resulting position, we not only have an extra pawn, but are also significantly ahead in development. This trick proves particularly effective in blitz and bullet games, where time is limited. Now, it's time for a puzzle. In the given position, it's white's turn, and you need to find the best move for white. Share your answers in the comments, and let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Take a moment to check out the other videos appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and peace.